Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a BMW X1 battery. First, prioritize safety by always wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged to prevent any accidental movement. The battery in a BMW X1 is commonly located in the trunk, often beneath a floor panel, or occasionally under the hood. Taking these initial steps ensures a safe and smooth process for everyone involved. Now let's disconnect the battery terminals. Always start with the negative terminal first. Using a 10mm wrench, loosen the nut on the negative post. Once loose, carefully remove the negative cable and ensure it's secured away from the battery to prevent any accidental contact. Then, proceed to loosen and remove the positive terminal cable in the same manner. This order is crucial for electrical safety. With the terminals disconnected, it's time to address the battery's hold-down mechanism. This is typically a clamp or strap designed to keep the battery securely in place. Locate the fastener, which might require a 13mm socket or a similar tool. Loosen and remove this fastener, then carefully lift out the entire hold-down mechanism. This step frees the battery from its tray, preparing it for removal. Finally, it's time to remove the battery. Car batteries can be quite heavy, often weighing around 40 pounds, so use proper lifting techniques. If available, a battery lifting strap is highly recommended. Otherwise, use both hands, bending at your knees, to carefully lift the battery straight out of its compartment. Before installing a new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and terminals for optimal performance. You've successfully removed your BMW X1 battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.